How you doing, everyone? Gearhead Abe here with an update video on the 1990 Corvette. Today we're doing a radiator swap. I got the radiator for it, and here it is. This is the DeWitts. This is their direct fit radiator. It's actually very nicely done, considered one of the best radiators you can get for the Corvette. Here's the stock one, and as you can see, it's pretty shot in there. Look at that, look how bad. Lack of maintenance for sure. I just replaced this one because when I bought the car, it was running really hot to the point where it was almost maxed out, way overheating. This this one will do very fine. I heard this one holds a gallon more, almost a full gallon more than the stock unit. It's larger, so it'll hold more. Hopefully it cools the car off. But it looks nice. Definitely, hopefully it's worth the money. This radiator was about $400. Comes with a lifetime warranty, so I wanted to get that trouble-free. Here's the old hoses and belt. You can see right in there. Look at that. That's not good, folks. I drained the entire cooling system maybe 8 times to the point where I was getting fresh water, replaced the knock sensor. Once the knock sensor was replaced, I went ahead and just pulled the radiator out. It was very tough to get right in down here. Really tight quarters. See right about, where is it? This is such a bad angle. There it is. Getting this one off, and then that bottom one right there, that's the water pump. That was a nightmare. Just a flat out nightmare to get down there. I'm replacing everything, guys. All the lines, all the coolant hoses. God, these things, they're in such bad shape. I'm taking this out. I'm replacing the expansion tank. And I got all these lines too, ordered from a Corvette site. The heater core is behind here. I'm gonna have to cut those lines off that really gently. But that's it, guys. Just letting you know. I'll let you know how the radiator goes in and how I like the cooling. I'm switching from 160 degree thermostat back to 180. I think the 160 is a little too cold for like an everyday driver, especially if it's going to be used in colder weather. So I'm going back to 180. I had to take the belt tensioner off to get the hoses out, believe it or not. And then this is my makeshift bolt holder. I mean, look, front passenger, and I got it all lined up with where the bolts go. You know, it's pretty cool. This is a cool method to do, just so you can throw it all back together quickly, not have to fiddle around looking for the bolts. Anyway, guys, I'll let you know what happens. But hopefully after this, it's going to be a very cool running temperatured Corvette. Yep. Alright, guys, this is Gearhead Abe. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'll talk to you all later.